So today we're going to focus on eyes, and this is how we're going to get this look. For the eyeshadow base, we're going to be using a concealer to colour correct and prep the eye base for the eyeshadows to go on top. You want to pat this all over the eyelid in gentle motions until you get a clear one canvas base. Once that is done, you want to get a beauty blender and you want to even it all out before going in with a face powder, and I'm going to be using the MAC face powder here in NC45. For the base colour, I'm going to be using this brown shade, and I'm going to go back and forth along the eyelid and where I want to accentuate the shape of the eyelid. I'm just going to show you on this side how I do that. Same thing, we're just going to go back and forth until we get to this colour. Using a clean brush, we're just going to blend this out. Next, I'm going to go in with a dark brown colour, and we're just going to blend it along the edges and give it a darker outer crease. Using the same brush as before, I'm going to go over that with nothing on it, just to blend the two. Using a gold shade, we're going to go all over the eyelid, and we're going to follow this shape out to give it more of an almond eye shape. You want to follow the colour out and give it more of a feathered look to make the eyes look bigger. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the same eyeshadow brush before and just blend that along. Using a clean brush as before, we're just going to blend underneath the eyebrow. Using the same golden eyeshadow, we're going to put it into the inner corners, both on top and underneath. Next, we're going to do the eyebrows, and we're going to take a angled eye brush and we're going to feather out the shape of the eyebrow. You want to do it in small strokes but with less product. So you want to go underneath first and then go along the top of the eyebrow and make it as thin or thick as you like. It's always best to keep within the natural shape, and as you can see, again using small feathered strokes, and we're going to use the Dip Brow Pomade for this, and you can get many brands. You want to use a spoolie in between to give it a more natural look, and you want to go over with a powder of a lighter shade. After this is done, you want to go back and check if there's any places missing for you to finish off and give another spoolie. That's it. That's the final look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want to see how we did the reverse contour, check my video before. I will link it here. See you next time and enjoy the bloopers at the end. Look up. Not look up as in up. I mean look at in here. Look in here, basically. Okay, wait, start that again.
Cut! Start again.
Go on. Do it naturally. Don't do it so like robotically. Smile.
Start again?
Yeah, you can. Just pose. Just be you. Just be you.
I can't just be me.
And then say bye.